Hello friends, I am here with another amazing video. First of all, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you. So we can proceed. As a child, there was no tech to keep me occupied. We didn't even have daytime. My mom used to sit my sister and me down at the kitchen table and plasticine and few basic tools. We would spend hours molding and shaping. As an adult, I still love to mold and shape, but this time it is with air dry clay, and I make beautiful, useful things for my home or to gift. Air dry clay is a fantastic, affordable material for various crafting ideas and projects. It is straightforward to use and is non-toxic, so suitable for kids too. Air dry clay looks and feels like traditional clay but doesn't need to be fired in a kiln or heated in the oven. It hardens naturally in the air. Then it can be sanded and painted. Like traditional clay, it is versatile. It can be molded, rolled, cut, and embossed with textures. It comes in various colors, but most projects use white clay and decorate with paint. Even a version of air dry clay comes in a terracotta color. So, in this video, you can see amazing air dry clay ideas. I've selected the best collection of crafting projects that use air drying. Most of them are for adults. I have included more than 40 air dry clay ideas for kids to keep your little ones entertained during the school holidays. Whether you want to craft air dry clay fairy homes with your kids or make some air dry clay animals, this video will provide you with so many ideas you won't know where to start. So some of the ideas I can tell you. Air dry clay mermaid eggs is one of them. Turn your air dry clay into magical mermaid eggs. And the other one is clay unicorn magnets, air dry clay apple pinch pots, air dry clay dinosaur fossils, and many more. I hope you loved the video. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you for watching.